I got another 8 or 9 minutes before I'm jumping back in. That dump earlier was lovely.
Yeah, I didn't know we had news, and it was funny because it was that previous day high.
Yeah, it was lovely. I mean, but plus the S&P was
Already
up
dumping.
around up. Well, it was up pushing off 59.98. Right, we're up at that 6,000 level. Like that's a
Ooh,
big,
oh, psych shit.
yeah, big resistance up there.
Let me see. I haven't looked at ES in a long time.
Yeah, so I mean, we're up there pushing off of that anyways, and then it dumped. But I mean, it was only 150 points from the all-time high right now.
Which one? That
S&P,
ES?
yes, yes, all-time high is like 61.48 or something like that.
That's for them. It's only a few good days.
Yeah, like it's only like 150 points away.
Yeah, get that easily in a week.
But yeah, that nice dump earlier, two quick trades, hit that last 600 I needed to bring that other account to funded on day 5.
Very nice.
Now I got this other one, so I got
I lost my
two.
My Funded Futures yesterday.
You lost what?
My Funded Futures.
Oh, you lost it?
I was just too. I had the whole move up. I literally had the bottom. I just was too over leveraged and got me in my drawdown.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I had the move at like 10 something, 11 o'clock in the morning, whatever it was. I was just
Yeah, I did all right yesterday. I was out before 10 a.m., like 300 on each account. But I had lost money on both on Monday, but I kept that in check. Like I lost like I don't know 100 and something, and then I lost like 30 something on the other one.
yeah. It killed me at 10:36 in the morning, 10:35 in the morning when it kind of swept this volume gap I had, and bro, I had entries at like I was at 21,590 or something like that. It just went straight up after it
Just
killed me.
yeah, I looked at it when I came back yesterday afternoon. I looked at it. Let's see, I looked at the charts around like 3:30, and I was like, wow, just like 20 green bars on the 5-minute chart, just
Hmm. I was
like
that one.
small bars, but just steady all the way up. I was like, well, this thing's been pushing all day, and at closing time when it's been going up all day, we're gonna get a dump at close. So I put a short in at 355 and caught another couple $100.
Mm-hmm. That's what your Bill knocks or
No, my Blue Knox I'm not trading because I requested payout, and
takes
like
forever.
I'm not gonna unpay myself. I did that before for $1,600.
Oh my goodness.
Like I'm not doing that. Like I don't care how long it takes. Well, these are my two take profit trader accounts. I have I had two evals going on 25Ks, and I have a funded 50K. So I'm now I have one of these 25Ks. This was day 5 where I hit goal. So I'm gonna that one will be funded tomorrow. And then I have another one. I'm on day 2. I need about another $1,000 to hit goal on that one for
Okay.
funded.
Very nice. All right, market's open, boys.
Yes, sir.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Oh, it's a debate right now.
All right, we're gonna push. What's 50% of this little box right here? There's 50% of that drop on that first box.
Stop fill.
78.6. Nice, Sergio.
Yeah, that was risky going into that trade right before open.
That's 78.6 tap.
How reliable is the golden ratio on the 1 minute chart, though?
I think he's on the 1 minute, but I think it's the fifth, like the whole move.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't think it's just for that 1 minute move. I think it's like the whole overnight and all that.
Oh, gotcha.
Right. We just ate up all the news.
No. I'm in a little long 2 micros right now, looking for 5 points.
You gotta get close off to 70. You know, close above 78.6.
I'm just looking for 5 points right here on the
filled.
tap tees last night and this morning, early morning highs.
Sir, did you get over there? You get your 5 points off this little fair value gap.
Yeah, I just wanted, we bounced off of this 5996 or so like 3 times.
I keep forgetting you're in the.
Yeah, 4 in the morning, 6 in the morning, and 8 in the morning. We bounced off this 5996. So I'm looking for a quick like little 5 points back up to there, and we're getting there.
I keep forgetting that you're trading BS.
Yes, all day, baby. Let's see. Just about there now.
You should be getting it in a second. Please,
Oh.
we want to fill this drop for sure. 78.6 is giving us a little resistance on the NQ. If you look at Sergio's chart, see that 78.6 we keep closing right under. We wanna close. We definitely wanna close over that.
Go, baby. One more point.
Also, ES is pushing. All right, so NQ is a little lagging.
Yeah.
For the field. For short Serge. If you're talking, Serge, you can't hear you. We're on this chat.
Yo.
There you go.
Order filled.
There he is.
Hello, senor.
There we go.
I told you
Back up to there. We hit that 5996 3 times since London opened. So I took a little couple points
Order
from
filled.
5990 up to there.
It says that news ain't shit.
Oh. It wasn't horrible news. Like it was still a little bit of growth.
That's still a nice little quick pullback for
It was still a little,
ADP.
well, yeah, it was still a little. Yeah, we'd only dumped about 20 points on the ES or MES, but it happened in 2 minutes. Yeah,
Exactly.
20 points in 2 minutes is quite a nice drop. Yeah, but I was making a cup of coffee when that news hit, and then I saw Mike saying, "Who just tweeted?" And I was like, "Wait, what?"
I thought somebody added up. I didn't realize 8:15 was news.
Yeah, so I was like, "Oh, let me go check the charts out." Check the charts out because that ADP report must have done something. Yep, and caught a nice little move.
Good. Let's wait. No more trades. That's already 2.
Yeah, we're up here bouncing off of this thing. Like, we got 4 shoulders up here.
Serge, you good? quiet over there. I don't like it. Oh, this shit must be messing up.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
I gotta see if we're closing, if we're getting up above the 6,000 marker, if we're gonna head back down. Really aren't any good trades for me right here. There's too much going on. Yeah, the system I'm beta testing, man, the signals for these crypto things have been spot on, bro. Like, they send one signal a day just for, they're trying to do data collection based off of like real traders using it. And,
It's like an algo?
huh?
It's like an algo?
Some kind of new trading system that's supposed to take all the economic factors, including news and support and resistance and everything into account, and recalculate everything in real time. But they pushed two signals the last 2 days. Like, and like the first signal was like 60 or 70% profit, 100 times leverage, right? So 150 US dollar coin for a $95 profit on the first one, and then yesterday was another like $90 profit off a 150 US dollar coin, 100 times leverage. Like, but they'll send, all right, here's the signal for crypto futures, get this many contracts, this much leverage, and as soon as you enter the trade, it almost immediately starts going your way, and it just
Hold on, Nate. I'll be right back.
Crazy how accurate that thing is.
Nate, I'll be right back.
All right.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm back.
All right.
Let's see what we're at. We're at all right. Over London high, over previous day high. All right, what's my next level? Next level is here, 21,804 on the 4 hour.
I'm pretty close to done here, man.
Yeah, I mean, I caught the news pre-market. I got some wiggle room to play to try to get to double profit for the day. I got some room.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna look for a couple of more trades, but I'm only got this one account I'm trading now. Like my one I hit that's getting funded tomorrow, so leaving that alone. Bullinox, I'm waiting for that payout to come out, leaving that alone. This other take profit right here, I'm up about 170 today, so I'll be out of here pretty soon.
Listen, that's how it's supposed to be.
Order filled.
Do some laundry and
Order filled.
go get my son.
Let's see if we're gonna become liquidity or I'm gonna become.
Yeah, I mean, I think we're dancing around the 6,000 line on the on the ES here, so
Just had a small change in structure, so
I'm gonna figure out if this thing wants to break through that today or if it's gonna pull back.
let's see if we can take this lower.
Dumping now a little bit. This might be a 3-bar reversal right here.
Damn, it just went through my take profit so fast the order didn't even get filled.
This might be a 3-bar reversal on the ES 5-minute. I'll wait for this candle to close. Yeah, we're going.
I have a better entry on that, but that's okay.
By the way, y'all, we got Bank of Canada's announcement coming in like a minute. So,
all right. Was the Bank of Canada what, their minutes, like their announcement?
No, not like their rate decision.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so let's see. Let's see if we get. Looks like we get something.
A lot of volatility, anyways.
And then also PMI composite, and we have another 10 o'clock mover, ISM. What's the services? Wait, I wrote it down. ISM services index. So
okay.
Yep. So we'll see. There we go.
Let's see what happens.
See what happens.
What are we gonna do?
Order submitted.
Bank of Canada is not changing rates. So we'll see what happens.
See if we fall.
Yeah. Go.
Let's see.
Hey, we might just want to push.
Dang.
Yeah, we flipped.
High today, 793. Y'all not trying to go get 800?
There you go. I don't think they want it, bro.
Damn.
So many clothes. I got way too many clothes. Yeah. Thank you. Maybe jeans. Oh wait, they're skinny jeans. Yeah,
Let's see.
Oh, awesome. You feel me?
Blue wears skinny jeans.
Uh,
Man, it stopped me out of my position just to keep dropping. Let's try it again.
Order filled.
Well, I'm done for the day, boys.
Hey, let's go.
Well, yeah, I just picked up another 150 on that
Yeah,
dump.
Took
Up
that short.
300 on this one, so I'm out, boys. Fucking
Hey, John, I'm gonna stay with you though.
target's hit. Done with this fucking day. Nice day. No need to be greedy. We're in and out of the market before 10 a.m. for the last 2 days. Beautiful. Tomorrow I'll start trading this other funded account. 3 more days on this new eval. Well, time for me to walk away for a little while, guys.
Yes, sir. Go up in the park. Go look at some birds.
Yeah,
All right, bro. Take it easy.
go get something to eat or something. But if I keep staring at these charts, I'm gonna end up over trading. I don't need to do that. So targets hit. I'll see you guys a little later. Happy trading.
All right, bro. Sir.
You got me deaf, man. Oh man.
He's back.
Oh man, done.
I wonder why it's so loud though. Because my volume, this my volume.
Yeah,
I was at like 30% volume.
yeah. I turned that to one. I'm fucking dead.
Y'all, my fault. Y'all was talking to me?
Yeah, what's up with the skinny jeans?
Huh?
What's up with the skinny jeans?
With skinny jeans. What happened with skinny jeans?
you got somebody at the crib?
Nah.
So who was that? Him? Was that you or Nate?
What?
That
Yo,
was Nate.
Oh, that was Nate. I was like, all I heard was, yeah, man. I got enough. I got more clothes and something about skinny jeans, and then you were mute, Lou.
Oh, nah.
I was like, Lou wears skinny jeans?
Nah, that must have been Nate. That must have been Nate. That was me.
Oh man, what a morning.
Yeah.
Hey, we can tweak people's volumes with this, can't we?
Nah, I went in. I already looked at it. I even Googled it.
Dang.
Oh, damn. All right. Now I know what y'all said. Yeah, I had to. Yeah.
Yeah, like Discord, you can go and you can lower a certain person.
Damn.
I didn't
All
realize.
right.
Yeah, I didn't realize it until I looked at my computer. I'm like, damn, I'm at 43 out of 100, and I only got one headphone.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my
That's
day at 9.
hilarious.
I'm gonna take my day at 9:41 though. I'm already locked out.
Bro, we're fixing to have news.
That's fine. I'm done.
We got
9:40. I caught the
4
news,
minutes.
bro. We swept London and Asia low, which was stacked. We swept it, created an inverse gap, broke structure. Boom. It was beautiful. It took a while to get up there, but like I got stuck in that chop while I was at McDonald's and daycare and shit. Definitely shouldn't have been on my phone trading, but not the point. I could have held that first position I had though. Would have. It was great. It was only a 130-point move.
Yeah, I know. That's it.
Order submitted.
All right, let's see. Sir, I'm gonna send this to you. We're gonna chop around here in some news.
Yeah, we got like 2.5
I don't know
minutes.
why are you taking the trade 2 minutes before news. I gotta send y'all the updated trade Zella my boy is still doing. He's gotta do 1,000 trades. Serge, I got Jazz to watch the same thing.
Okay, back.
Watch since she's not really trading right now.
Yeah,
I was like-
she says she's fixing to get back in the chart soon, I believe.
Yeah. But I had her watch that. His video should kind of help you. You should identify like real quick with the way he breaks it down. You should be able to pick up on it real quick since you're already a seasoned trader.
Mm-hmm.
But his key thing is he only takes trades at levels. If he's not in the middle of a level, like if he's in the middle, he will not take a trade. That's what I've been doing for like the last month. I only take trades at key levels.
Right.
1 hour, 4 hour levels, and then I only look at London high, London low, Asia high, Asia low, previous day high, low. If my strat doesn't occur near one of those levels, I won't take a trade. Except for that day I blew the account on that Friday.
And we say levels, you mean like
Asia high, Asia low.
Oh, gotcha.
You'll see.
Like clear range and stuff.
Yeah, you'll see it in the video. Which I think it'll help you in your executions.
Bet.
Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order filled.
Dang, you see that?
Bro, so many accounts just got blown.
Antes de comenzar, me pudiera verificar la.
Order canceled.
How many accounts just got liquidated?
Yeah, it's crazy.
And more getting liquidated now who just went long.
I'm thinking we might fill that
Damn.
Yo, we just
Yo, funny as hell.
yo, we gapped 60, 70
funny.
points. I joke. Out here's markets. So on top one, it tells you the market's open. Oh, I was like, yeah.
Oh, on that thing. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
And top one, it goes, the markets are open. Wow.
I was telling Lou about that. Anytime it freezes, market closed.
Uh-huh. Like, wait, what just happened?
Hey Lou,
Yo.
you remember how we told you about that platform?
Top one.
Mm-hmm.
What's it called? Is it Project X?
Project X.
Yep.
It's Top Step version 2. It's Top Step X version 2. That's all it is.
Market closed. Hold on. What do you mean market's
Yeah,
closed?
wait, hold on. What y'all talking about? Market closed. What?
It tells you like when the market freezes, it goes market closed, market's open.
You get like a little robot voice saying market closed. Like, hold on. What do you mean market's closed? I need you the most right now.
Like, I'm in the trade. Where's my order?
Order not filled.
That's hilarious.
How we doing? How we doing, Serge?
Red on 2 accounts, green on 1 account.
Order submitted.
I'm looking for sales right now. I was hoping we filled that little gap we left.
Yeah, we have previous day closing price right here as well, and the 8:30 open price. We're gonna see what they're talking about. Wow.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Sorry, you didn't catch those sales?
No.
Come on, Baba.
Man, I was just
dumping.
cautious about the gap.
Shit, heavy.
Order
Ooh.
filled.
Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that, Sergio.
Yeah,
I don't like that, sir.
that was
That's
I'm not sure about
damn.
Damn.
Yo, you went short at
The
previous
boy
day
wait
low,
till the
my
move
guy.
was over. Listen, I'm gonna short it now.
He said, give me, oh, there goes.
No,
give me all that.
there
Give
you
it to
go.
me.
Already had that pending order there.
Let's
Yo,
go.
That's yo, me.
That's
Like, oh,
hilarious.
oh.
That's
Yeah, I was like, oh no,
yeah.
Ricky.
Daddy, what is
Lewis here this time. You can't blame him.
Daddy?
Yeah.
I think that's Alma's house.
Try his member ID number. I just don't know what the password is.
Okay. There you go.
Stop filled.
There. Marcus said big bus.
Damn.
There you go. That's all good, bro. That's all great, dude. So there's no pending orders over here. Cancel our orders, position. Okay, nothing. Alright. Trading of VPS is ooh, wow, I missed that. That's a big bus. Entry was there. Short was there, short was available, long was available. What you doing, bro? And don't FOMO. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. It's all good. Yeah.
Order filled.
How we gonna do it? It's like that.
Target filled.
Give me that. Off to 50%. I need that. Ooh, what an exit. Great exit.
All right, boys, I gotta go. Luki's got to do some,
Yes,
I
sir.
guess, some summertime reading and math.
Hey,
So he's got to use Dad's supercomputer.
gotta get them all ready.
Your kids got iReady? Lou?
Say it again.
Your kids are grown, right?
13.
They don't use iReady up there?
Nah, I never heard of iReady.
Oh, okay. Some shit
Never
down
heard of
there in
that.
Florida. It's like an
iReady.
online interactive learning portal.
Oh nah, I think Boston has a different one. It's similar, but
Okay.
yeah, it's definitely similar though, for sure.
That'd be nuts.
That's right.
Yeah,
No, we only
there-
moved 150 points.
Well on this check, sir. Well on this check.
Yo,
Okay, I'm making sure
Yeah.
you were liquidity.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, Serge, if you ever experienced me and Lou getting scared like that at 4AU again,
what's that now?
Yeah.
just exit fast.
Right. I was like, oh, dude. Entry short was way before. No.
Well, I didn't want to short it because of that little gap that we left that open. You know what I mean? Because there was that possibility of reversing, and I figured, if we make it a low, it'll be a good low. So I had my pending order right below the low, but yeah, it just kind of it wasn't there.
Yeah, no, it is what it is. Next trade. Take the loss and be good.
Yep.
That's what we gotta do.
Hey, y'all do that Pokemon stuff, or know anybody who does that Pokemon stuff?
Pokemon.
Nah, I don't even know what you're talking about.
You know those little cards that you get in the Pokemon packs, the QR code.
Oh no.
Nah, nope.
Oh, okay. My kid does Pokemon now. And we got a crap of those little QR codes that come in the packs.
And then what they scan them and there's like a
Yeah.
like a little movie or video or something like that.
Yeah. Can y'all hear that in the background?
Do we hear your son?
No, the iReady, whatever. It just said truck pig stick.
Oh nah, I didn't hear it.
All right, he's got to use the headphones.
Check if he could have gone to the library.
Yeah, nah, I didn't hear it.
All right.
Yeah,
He got some work to do then.
yes, sir.
Man, yo, Serge, remember that play that you just took off the low, okay?
Yeah.
No. And how you went short when you watched that video. So just remember the trade you took, right? At the short at previous day low.
Yeah.
When you watch that video, this is gonna flash into your head. You're gonna realize why. You're like, oh shit, I should have either waited or looked for something else.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see why I said that. It's like a 2-hour video. You don't need to do the full 2 hours. At the end, it's like 30, 40 minutes of just weird.
Where's that video?
I'll send it to you. I mean, I'll send it to you. I just didn't want to post it and try I'm not trying to push it onto anybody.
Nah.
It's like it's a simplified your trading video.
Yeah, I would like to see it because I would I'd just implement everything. That's what I do.
It's just more of a learning to take your trades at key levels.
Mm-hmm.
He did this video live like a month and a half.
Order
This
submitted.
that I told you I followed when my trading changed. I went like 20 something days straight in green.
Mm-hmm.
This was the video I watched.
Truck pig. Truck stick pig.
Oh, and give you a quick update. My boy, he. Remember the last trade that I sent you?
Mm-hmm.
Last one he sent me.
Order filled.
A bunch of shit yesterday. He's at 271K. He's at a 9.10 profit factor and a 74.3% trade win rate. Just by back testing this shit.
That's fire.
he trades the same way I do. He's able to find those changes in what do you call it, CISD, change in state of delivery and all that other shit. He's able to find it a lot faster. So that's all he's been back testing on. But yo, pretty much 271 in 6 months of back testing. That's wild. With a fucking 9.10 profit back there. All right, boys.
Yeah, that's kind of wild.
I sent y'all that video.
Okay,
you go to
word.
his channel. His channel does it. His YouTube channel's got a bunch of stuff too.
Okay.
But yeah, it's like a 2-hour video for us. An hour and a half. Because the end of it, like I said, it's just a bunch of jibber jabber talk about himself.
Okay. Yeah, I'll definitely be tuning in.
Boy, just take a look at it, what y'all think.
Okay.
I'll be on later, boys.
All right, cool, bro. See you later. What you got going on today, Serge?
Kicking it till 4.
Hey, okay. Yeah, I'm down for the game in like 10, 20 minutes if you down.
Yeah, let me know. Let me know when you're done, and we'll run some games.
Okay, word. Hell yeah.
That boy Martin.
Where he at? Oh, he not even in the building. Damn.
Yeah, I did a wellness check.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Golden ratio.
I got a sell order for golden ratio, but I just want us, well, not want us, but that's what I'm looking for, to fill this little gap that we left at news. Here we got close to the golden ratio, and we dumped.
I mean, it's just it's clean. Market made a new low. So market comes from a high, it goes down, makes a new low, it runs up to golden ratio. Expect something.
Right.
Every time. Expect something. We just got a 20-point drop off that. That's $400. But you got to accept the risk on it. Risk 400 to make 400. You'll get it. You'll have a nice risk to reward on it. Easy.
I got a sell order right here for golden ratio. We'll see what they do. I'm just waiting for them to fill this little gap.
Yep.
Oh, this was beautiful right here too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Man, I mean, uh, I really don't. I don't know what to say, bro, about this. And then golden.
Yeah,
It's clean.
sure.
It's like it's clear as day. It's clear as day. If you see the market, if you see the market make a high, you see the market make a low. They come to golden ratio, and they don't.
And that
And it's
also,
something.
and that was a good trade too. Before we got close to the golden ratio, you see, I say that's almost a golden ratio trade.
Yeah, it's the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
This one just so happened to touch, but you know,
Yeah.
that's how it go. Man, it's just clean. This is butter. It's so gorgeous. Like it's so yeah. But you put the stop where it needs to be, and you just let it. You sit back and you just cool out, and you just let it rock out.
Let it do its thing.
Yep. Yeah. And now this one's now they're trying to run up and shit. Mm-hmm. Hmm. 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 Let's see. Where is Martin, by the way? You said you haven't talked to him, right?
No, I I did a wellness check this morning. I think he might be out.
Hmm. Wow. This is
Dang.
what's happening now. Oh, they didn't come get you. They did not come get you. Oh, there she goes. Putting a little puppy with her little thing. All right. Yeah. Yeah, market's trying to go up there. Let's see, ES moving. Market only moved 152 points today, bro.
That's not that crazy today.
Yeah, it's not.
But I get
Order filled.
All right. Mhm. Hmm. I see you, sir.
Okay, let's go.
Sheesh. Oh, damn. Let's go, bruh. Market never broke the 78.6. One more trip. Keep trailing my guy out, man. Let's go, man.
Let's go. Ooh, beautiful.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Let's go, bruh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, man.
Bring it down. Bring it down.
Keep going.
Stop filled.
Oh.
No.
Go.
Stop filled.
Ah.
Nice.
Let's
Nice.
go, man. Let's get exit. Damn, Nutty went long. Damn.
Ricky.
Off the golden ratio. Damn. Damn. Oh no. He did it. But that's all good. There are times golden ratio doesn't work either. Yo, so so I was this weekend. I went out with my girl and just like family and shit, and we went to a place called Lucky Strike, which is like a bowling place. And I leave the place and we're driving back to the crib Sunday night, and on my phone I get a notification that says you're like that my AirPods are now more than 50 feet away from me. And I'm like, oh shit, I left my AirPods. So I go back into Lucky Strike. I'm looking, I can't find it. I look everywhere that I try to go, everywhere that I went in Lucky Strike, I couldn't find it. And I'm like, all right, that's fine. So then I start driving away again, and I see it pops up. It says like the location was found or whatever. And so then then I'm like, all right. Then I see some is the location moved to outside of Lucky Strike, right, which is like the bowling alley. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I see the people that I think it is, and I didn't say nothing. So I'm like, all right. So now, because I also spoke to the people at Lucky Strike. I was like, hey, if you find it, please hit my number, whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So no one contacted me. Cool. So now yesterday I'm looking, my AirPods, it popped up on my phone again, like the location. Bro, it's now someone got my AirPods. Because I'm seeing where they are. And 2 days ago, they were kind of near my house. But I think they work in a building, because the people that I think had it, like I haven't seen him before, but where he was, I'm like, okay, if you're standing, he's outside of a hotel, and he was outside of that hotel for mad long. So if you work at a hotel and you're outside the hotel for mad long, what kind of job do you think that is?
If you're like outside?
Yeah.
You might be like maintenance maybe,
or maybe valet or something.
Yeah.
So I think that's what they do. So I'm waiting. So I didn't see him yesterday. They're in the same spot yesterday and in the same spot today. Once I see them come back to Boston, I'm going right to where they are, and I'm gonna play the sound. And if I hear my AirPods, I'm beating the shit out of that person.
Hey, now be careful, fam. We don't get in trouble. But I feel you, because that's some fuck shit. Like, come on, bro. Like that ain't yours. Why
bro, what you doing? And that was in my ears and shit. Like, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, yeah, man, it's crazy.
I hate fuck shit, bro. I hate fuck shit when people just do silly shit.
Yeah. Exactly, bro.
Damn, that sucks, yo.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna go see about them. I'm gonna go see about them.
There's a YouTube video, and this is like entertainment, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But there's this guy who got his girlfriend Game Boy, like a Game Boy Color from back in the day.
Yep.
And dude put he put something where he can I think you had like an air tag in it or something like that. And so dude was coming from like Japan or some shit back to the US, and he had a flight that I think it was like Illinois. It might have been like Illinois, Indiana, somewhere like that. And so on the way back, I guess because dude had modded that Game Boy, he put a bunch of games in it. It was it was more like a gift, like a sentimental value. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So anyway, dude goes back, and then when they get back, they're like, "Oh shit, somebody stole the Game Boy," and they're like, "Oh no." So dude had that. He made his mission to find the
find the person who had it.
Yeah, bro.
He ended up finding him. Oh shit.
Dude took a flight to Indiana or Illinois. Where the fuck?
Wow.
And then he's like, so he's in this neighborhood, and he's kind of like looking around, like scoping out the place, and he's like, my phone's telling me that it's around here somewhere. So he calls the cops. The cops don't do anything. He's doing his own investigation or some shit, and then he's like, I know it says it's here somewhere. So he finds the air tag, and it takes him to like dude jumps this little fence and he makes a run for it, and then he finds the air tank. He's like, oh shit, but he's like, I know my Game Boy's still here or some shit. So he finally goes knocking on some doors. Hey, I'm looking for this Game Boy, this and that and that. And finally he comes at this house, and they're like, oh yeah, dude works at the airport. Yeah, he came with the Game Boy a couple days ago. So his family gave dude the Game Boy.
He gave who the Game Boy?
The family, the dude worked at the airport, and they found the Game Boy that the guy was looking for.
Wow.
The airport worker took the Game Boy.
Wow. Yeah, see? That's that shit. That's that shit, man.
Yeah, people do silly shit for no reason, bro. For no reason.
Yeah, bro. That's just whack as fuck. That's whack as fuck.
Mm-hmm.
That's just whack as hell. Hold on. I got this thing on. Yeah. So you not doing nothing right now, huh?
No, just chilling.
All right. I'm about to take her out for take a piss, and then I'm gonna come back, and then maybe we can jump on the game and see if these folks can try to do that. Maybe.
For sure, yeah. Let me know, and I'll jump on.
All right, cool.
Hey, I'll send you that one video. That was pretty interesting. It was a fun video, you know.
Yeah, send that to me, bro.
All right, bro. I'll catch you in a minute.